That's the red food coloring. We got the red food coloring. We got our vinegar. And we got all the stuff for our volcano kit that we dressed up real nice. It was a little boring with just a clay and a foam tray. So we used some parsley, some paint, some clear silicone, and a couple of toy dinosaurs. And look what we made. We made a Jurassic period volcano with the little dinosaur. We got a little Stegosaurus, and we really went to town painting our volcano. We got a little red around the top. We got some dabs of green, and of course we have like the ocean over here.
We got yellow.
So yeah, this is our cool volcano we made, and to get the greenery, we just used parsley because hey, why not? So I'm going to get a measuring cup ready, and I'm going to put in baking soda. We're going to fill this with baking soda. Anybody can do this. You don't have to buy a kit. You can do this at home. You have the ingredients.
Make a mess. Look at you make a mess.
I did make a mess. That's okay. So we're going to put that inside the volcano, just like that. Now, we've got our baking soda in the volcano, and now what we need to do is we need to add the other stuff. So there's a couple of drops of this, just a couple drops is all we need, it says. So we're going to do 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop. That might have been 4. We'll do 5 just in case. So we've got some detergent over here. Put a couple of drops. We're going to put, whoa, I think that was more than a couple of drops. No, maybe not. Alright. A couple of drops of detergent to make it foamy. We got our red food coloring, we got our detergent, and now what do we need to add? Oh, now we're supposed to fill it with vinegar. Let's turn the volcano this way, and we'll get a good shot of it as it explodes. Our dinosaurs become extinct. Alright, we got our little dinosaur here, Let's see if they survive prehistoric volcano. Oh no, volcano! Oh!
This is the part. Get extra more volcano. Open.
Volcano!
Yeah, like big bubbles. Reverse bubble.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh?
It's bubbles. You're gonna do bubbles like that.
Yeah, I think we put a little bit too much of the detergent in there.
Like purple. Get more white.
We added about another tablespoon. And I'm not going to add any more detergent. There's a bunch of soapy residue in there. Okay, ready for volcano eruption number 2. Let's get a little bit better angle this time. There we go. Number 2. Volcanic eruption. Whoa! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, there goes the dinosaurs.
Died.
Yeah. Oh, the brontosaurus, he might have survived, but
he's gone. Let's go find him. Here, Lays.
well, I'd say that pretty much was the end of the dinosaurs, and so ends the Jurassic period. Yeah, it's bubbled. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, that was awesome. That was an awesome volcano eruption. Alright, so what we gotta do, put a couple drops of that, put some of that in the volcano. Raquel's gonna do this one. Just a couple drops. A couple more. That's good. That's probably too much. It's gonna be the reddest lava ever. Alright. You gotta take some of this baking soda, put it on a teaspoon. Put it right there. that inside the volcano carefully. Carefully. Okay. Now we got our baking soda. We got our red color. Alright, you gotta pour this cup inside the volcano really fast. Go! Keep pouring faster. Yeah! That was an awesome one! And now this lava will harden into lava rock, and what it will do is it will make this an island that's even bigger and bigger and bigger, and that's how we got like Hawaii and stuff.